In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Expedia plugin with Chatgpt. Users must have a Chatgpt Plus account in order to install and use the Expedia plugin. If you want to download the plugin and try out its features, just follow these simple steps below. Open and sign in to Chatgpt. Select GPT-4 model, select plugin store, search for the Expedia Chatgpt plugin. Click Install to add the Expedia plugin to your Chatgpt account. To start using the plugin, switch the engine to GPT-4, enable the Expedia plugin, and you're good to go. Currently, GPT-4 beta only allows users to enable 3 plugins at the same time. Everyone loves traveling. We all need a trip to a faraway land to escape from our problems, to refresh and recharge. We often dream of walking on sunny summer beaches, on pristine tropical islands, or gathering around a campfire while sipping a cup of hot cocoa under the starry sky of a northern land. However, before we can enjoy such wonderful moments, there are tons of things to sort out. With the introduction of the Expedia plugin, travelers can now enjoy their journeys to the fullest with complete access to up-to-date information on the availability and price of flights, hotels, vacation rentals, activities, and many more. The best part is that they simply need to start a conversation with ChatGPT to plan all the above. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.